So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba tanggalin ang auto-delete ng conversation sa ating Telegram app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Telegram account or Telegram application. And then pagka-open mula dito sa chat list, kung makikita nyo, pag naka-auto-delete yung isang conversation, ganito yung lalabas. Meron siyang parang maliit na date dito sa may baba. So kung makikita nyo is 1M, ibig sabihin ng 1M is naka-auto-delete siya for 1 month. So para ma-disable natin yung auto-delete, ang gagawin lang natin, i-open ulit natin yung conversation. And then dito sa conversation, tap nyo yung profile name or profile picture. Then dito sa profile, itap nyo naman yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner katulad nito. And then makikita nyo na agad yung auto-delete. So tap lang natin yung auto-delete. And ayan guys, para ma-disable, tap nyo lang yung disable na nandito sa baba. And ayan guys, auto-delete is now disabled. So ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba tanggalin or disabled ang auto-delete ng conversation sa Telegram. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.